So now in order to add the results page at the end of your quiz, we go to the Slides tab, select Results, Graded Test Results Slide, Insert. Make sure that it's checked off. We only have 3, so 2 questions is passing, so then you determine your passing score. In this case, we can make it 66. Click OK, and you can see the code that storyline 3 enters. Let's preview this so you can see what the results page will look like. 15 plus 8 is 23, so it's true. Continue. What is the sum of 20 plus 12? 32. Submit. And to find out perimeter, you add all sides. Click Submit. Continue. And this is how you get your results page. You can see here's the percentage, the passing score. Congratulations. And you can even review the quiz. You see if you got it correct. You got it correct. And if you didn't, here's where you find out. Here, as you can see, is the various options. And that is how you add a results page.